Before you drop money on a small diesel generator, there's one thing almost no product page tells you. Most of these generators aren't even complete units. You're buying just the alternator head. No engine, no fuel tank, nothing to actually run it. And that's why so many people end up frustrated. Let's fix that.
Product number 1, Olanetto 3500WW Permanent Magnet Head. This Olanetto 3500WW unit caught my eye because it's one of the few small diesel-compatible generator heads that actually lists pure copper windings and brushless design, both big deals for longevity and efficiency. At $227, it's positioned as an affordable backup solution for homes or camping setups. If you want a reliable alternator core to pair with your own diesel engine, this is worth a serious look. Here's why this matters for you specifically. The pure copper coil reduces energy loss by up to 15% compared to aluminum-wound alternatives, meaning more of your engine's power actually becomes usable electricity. The brushless design eliminates sparking and wear, so you're not replacing brushes every few hundred hours. It's rated for continuous 3500WW output at 220 volts, which is enough to run essentials like a fridge, lights, and a small well pump during an outage. Plus, it's compact, about the size of a large car battery, so it fits in tight spaces like a garage corner or shed. Now, some people complained about receiving units with loose wiring or missing mounting hardware. Here's the thing though, this isn't a plug-and-play generator. It's a component meant to be paired with a separate diesel engine. If you're not comfortable welding or bolting it to an engine block yourself, this isn't for you. But if you've got basic mechanical skills, those issues are fixable with a multimeter and a wrench. This is perfect for you if you're building a custom diesel genset on a budget or replacing a worn-out alternator head. Skip this one if you expect a full, ready-to-run generator in the box. For under $230, you're getting serious value, but only if you know what you're getting into. Product number 2, Olanetto 5000-watt multi-use generator head. The Olanetto 5000-watt version, essentially a beefed-up sibling to the first one, but with a twist. Priced at $290, it offers switchable output ratings, 3500 watts, 5000 watts, or 7000 watts, though the listed specs say 7000 watt peak. What stands out is its belt drive system, which lets you adjust RPM easily by changing pulley sizes. If you want flexibility to run different loads without swapping engines, this is worth a serious look. Here's why this matters for you specifically. The belt-driven design means less stress on the engine and smoother power delivery, ideal if you're running sensitive electronics like inverters or medical devices. It's also rated for up to 4,000 RPM, giving you headroom for high-demand startups like air conditioners or power tools. The pure copper windings again ensure minimal heat buildup and maximum efficiency. At just 14.3 pounds, it's lightweight enough to mount on a trailer or mobile setup for off-grid work. Now, some buyers reported that the included documentation is basically non-existent, just a QR code linking to a broken page. Here's the thing though, if you've worked with small engines before, wiring a 3-phase output to a rectifier isn't rocket science. But if you're expecting detailed schematics or customer support, you'll be disappointed. This is a DIYer's part, not a consumer product. This is perfect for you if you're building a portable power station for job sites or remote cabins. Skip this one if you need plug-and-play simplicity or reliable tech support. For under $300, it's a solid foundation, but only if you're ready to do the legwork.
Product number 3, Olanetto 7000W Heavy-Duty Head. If the previous model's lack of documentation bothered you, this Olanetto 7000W unit takes capacity up another notch, but with similar caveats. At $339, it's the most powerful in this lineup, targeting users who need serious surge capacity for industrial tools or whole house backup. The specs claim 7000W output, 25.6 pounds, and compatibility with both gasoline and diesel engines. If you want maximum output from a compact alternator, this is worth a serious look. Here's why this matters for you specifically. Higher wattage means you can run multiple high-draw appliances simultaneously. Think well pump plus refrigerator plus space heater. The brushless permanent magnet design ensures stable voltage under load, which protects your electronics from brownouts. And at just over 25 pounds, it's still manageable for 2 people to lift and mount. The belt drive system also allows fine-tuning of engine speed, improving fuel efficiency during lighter loads. Now, some users noted that the packaging is flimsy. Cardboard box, no foam, just plastic wrap. One even got a unit with a cracked housing. Here's the thing though, This is a common issue with overseas sourced industrial parts. If you order this, inspect it immediately upon delivery. Minor cracks can often be welded or sealed, but major damage means a return. Still, for the price, it's hard to beat the raw power output. This is perfect for you if you're building a high-capacity off-grid system or need surge power for machinery. Skip this one if you're not prepared to handle potential shipping damage or minor repairs. You're getting pro-level output for under $350, but only if you treat it like the component it is. Product number 4, Rapco Diesel Fuel Safety Stickers. That was a solid option, but the next one on my list might actually be even better for safety-conscious users, even though it's not a generator at all. These Rapco NFPA 704 diesel fuel stickers cost just $15 for a 5-pack, and they're essential if you're storing or transporting diesel near your generator setup. If you want to stay OSHA compliant and avoid fines or accidents, this is worth a serious look. Here's why this matters for you specifically. The NFPA 704 Diamond tells emergency responders exactly what they're dealing with: health risk, flammability, reactivity. For diesel, it's typically 120, meaning low health hazard, moderate fire risk, and stable. These reflective vinyl stickers are weather resistant and stick to tanks, cans, or generator frames. In an emergency, that info could save lives or prevent your insurance claim from being denied due to improper labeling. Now, some people complained that the adhesive isn't strong enough for rough surfaces or extreme weather. Here's the thing though, these aren't meant for permanent outdoor use on rusty metal. Clean the surface first, apply in mild temperatures, and they'll last years. They're a small investment for big peace of mind. This is perfect for you if you're serious about safe fuel storage or work on job sites with inspections. Skip this one if you're just running a backyard generator occasionally. But honestly, even then, it's $15 well spent. You can't put a price on safety.
Product number 5, Generac XD 5000E Wheel Kit. If you already own a Generac XD 5000E diesel generator or plan to, this wheel kit is a game changer. At $194, it's not cheap, but it turns a 200-pound beast into a movable asset. Unlike the previous items, this is a genuine accessory from a trusted brand designed specifically for real-world use. If you want to actually move your heavy diesel generator without hiring a crane, this is worth a serious look. Here's why this matters for you specifically. The XD 5000E is powerful but brutally heavy. Without wheels, it's stuck in one spot, even on flat ground. This kit includes never flat tires, a steel frame foot with rubber base, and a double grip handle, so one person can tilt and roll it easily. It's built for commercial use, so it handles rough terrain, curbs, and job site debris without wobbling or tipping. Now, some buyers said installation took longer than expected, about 45 minutes with basic tools. Here's the thing though, the instructions are clear and all hardware is included. It's a one-time setup that pays off every time you need to reposition your generator during a storm or shift work zones. This is perfect for you if you own the XD 5000E and need mobility. Skip this one if you have a different generator model. It's not universal. For under $200, it's a small price to pay for freedom of movement.
So here's the real deal. 4 of these are generator components. Great if you're building your own system, risky if you expect a complete unit. One's a safety sticker and one's a mobility upgrade. None are full generators out of the box. If you're a DIY-minded, the Olanetto heads offer solid value. If you already have a Generac, the wheel kit is a must. But always remember, a diesel generator isn't just a box you plug in, it's a system you build.